guys, so this video, number one, I'm in a different filming location, so got my desk behind me, but this video is going to be an unboxing of a sample box. I think that's what you would call it. But I'm going to unbox my Pinch Me box, and this just came, and I'm still kind of new to Pinch Me. This is my first box ever, and I actually have one more that's coming, and they're just a service where you get free samples of things, and so I thought I would unbox this one for you guys. And yeah, I haven't opened it yet. It just came today. I just got home and just found it, so let's get into it. Wow, that was extra complicated to open. Okay, this is all the stuff that was inside, and this is the box that is going in the garbage, because yeah. So the first thing that we have in here is a Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask, and this is the avocado extract one. I actually bought one of these, like a full-size one. I got the coconut extract one, the Nourish Dry Hair. This one is Smooth Frizzy Hair. I haven't tried the other one that I bought yet, but I'm excited to try both of them. And I mean, we'll see what this does to my hair, because I don't know if you could tell, but my hair is really frizzy. So I like that this one, it just says it'll help smooth it, and the other one that I got will help like with the dryness, because obviously frizz equals dry. But I'm really excited to try this. Then the next sample that I have here is Clairol, and this is, what is this? A coupon and a hair tie. I think that's just it. It's like one of those little hair ties, which are my favorite kind of hair tie. So let's take that off, and there is a coupon for hair coloring on the back, which I do not color my hair, so I will not be using them. But that's pretty much the only thing. Oh, it smells like, what is that? There's a floral scent on here. Oh, that smells really good. I guess that's what the hair dye smells like. I don't know. It smells really good and florally, but yeah, I don't use hair dye. My camera just got really dark really fast. Wow, okay. But I am excited about the hair tie. Next, I have some cards. I don't know. This is from Hallmark. Honestly, I got this box a long time ago. Well, like, I ordered it a long time ago, so I don't remember everything that was in here. Here is a coupon for Hallmark cards. Useful. And oh, some really cute cards. Okay, let's see. So this one is super cute, and I love the glitter. A typical day in the life of a mom. Oh, that's really cute. And I didn't give my mom a Mother's Day. Blah, blah, blah. I didn't get my mom a Mother's Day card yet, so we're just gonna use this one. That's really cute. Okay, this is gonna be my mom's Mother's Day card. Just a card to say you're amazing. I couldn't wait for a special occasion. That's really cute. Okay, these cards are super cute. And then last but not least, which I'm kind of excited for, but it's these Sweet Heat Skittles. I've never heard of these before up until I got the box. So we're gonna try them because I'm curious. They are only orange, yellow, and red. They smell like Skittles, so ooh. It tastes really sweet at first. It tastes like a Skittle, and then you get like a little kick of heat, which I hate spicy things, but these are not bad. I really could only eat a few though. But the flavors are strawberry, which I think is the one I just ate, blazing mango, and lemon spark, flamin' orange, and fiery watermelon. So let's try another one. I think that's the orange one. Yeah, it's actually really good. But because I don't like spicy things, this little size is perfect. Wow, I did not think I was gonna like these, but I actually really like these. So that was everything that I got in my Pinch Me box. I will leave the link to Pinch Me down below. And I do have another box coming hopefully soon. So I will unbox that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can go sign up for Pinch Me, and every Tuesday they release new samples. I think you can get a box every Tuesday. I still don't really know. I just check my email, and when it says you can get free samples, I just get the free samples. So check out Pinch Me. It's actually pretty cool. It's a little confusing at first. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video.